Latest that we have for your clash that's erupted between security forces and the BPSC, the Bihar Public Service Commission aspirants in the state's capital. The police resorted to lathi charge on the students protesting in demand of one set of question papers for civil services examination. And to get more on this, we have my colleague Prabhakar joining us. Prabhakar, take us through the demands of the students and visuals on our screen of how the police have lathi charged these poor students who are there protesting, and what is their main demand?
See, the BPSC, which is the nodal agency of conducting examination in Bihar, they have introduced a normalization process. The normalization process, in simpler word, means that if the number of aspirants actually are very high, then the examination for the same exam actually is conducted in different sets, and there is an average marking which is given to all the aspirants, because it is not possible actually for the BPSC to accommodate the number of aspirants who are appearing for the examination in one set. So they do it in different sets, and then there is an average marking which is given to the aspirants. Now, the BPSC aspirants or the students who are taking the examination, they were protesting against it. They were demanding scrapping of this normalization process or normalization methodology which the BPSC has adopted, and they were protesting against it in front of BPSC office, Patna. The crowd literally turned violent, and they resorted to blocking of the road, which is the main Bailey road of Patna, and then police, in order to clear that road, they had to use force. Lathi charge was there, and water cannon was used in a very milder version. But finally, the situation has been brought to normal. Few students sustained injuries, and few of them have also been taken under detention, but they will be released soon.
Right, Prabhakar, thank you so much for getting us details of the clashes that broke out in Bihar's Patna. And there you can see lathi charging. The police are resorting to lathi charge on the students who were protesting, asking for one examination in one shift. And that is the demand that they were making. They wanted one shift, one term. And that is when they tried to block that road, and which is why the police there resorted to lathi charge. And in other news,